with practice set 3.3 standard 8 algebra maths. So here we are asked to find the cube root of 8000. Now how to find the cube root? It's very easy. You can arrange it like this, or you can straight away factorize. I'll use this method: 2, 4000, 2, 2000, 2, 1000, 2, 500, 2, 250, 2, 125, 5, 25 za, 5, 5 za, and 5, 1 za. So it is giving me 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 6 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 3 times. Okay, we are interested in picking up, making the group of 3. Okay, therefore cube root of 8000 is equal to, when we say cube root of 8000, it means 3 2's will make up to 1. Okay, again 3 2's will make up to 1, and here 3 5's will make up to 1 5. Okay, so what it is? It is 2 2's are 4, 4 5's are 20. So cube root of 8000 is 20. Understood how to do this? We'll move on to second one. So the second one is 729. You know this number is not divisible by 2, so we'll check with 3. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So yes, this number is divisible by 3. So 3 2's are 6, 1 remains, 3 4's are 12, 3 3's are 9. Okay, again this is divisible by 3. Yes, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9. So 3 8's are 24, 3 1's are 3. Again 3 2's are 6, 2 remains, 3 7's are 21. You know 27 is divisible by 3, 3 9's is 27. So 3 3's is 9, 3 1's is 3. Okay, so 729, how many 3's you are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 3's you are getting. Therefore you will write cube root of 729 equals to, these 3 3's will make up to 1 3, again 3 3's will make up to 1 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Okay, then third one. Okay, so third one they have given it's 3 4 3. Okay, so again I'll arrange this 3 4 3. Is it divisible by 3? 2 it is not divisible because it is odd number. Okay, so is it divisible by 3? 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10. No, it is not divisible by 3. Let us see 5. No. 7 7 4's are 28, 7 remains, 6 remains. So yes, it is divisible by 7. 7 4 times is 28, 6 remains, 63, 7 9's are 63. Again 7 7's are 49, 7 1's are 7. So I'll write cube root of 343 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so beg your pardon, this is 343 is 7 into 7 into 7. So here when I write cube root of 343, 3 7's will become 1 7. So your answer is 7. Okay, then next one is minus 512. Now for 512 I'll solve it without taking the negative sign. Sign we'll see afterwards. Okay, 2 2's are 4, 1 remains, 2 5's are 10, 1 remains, 2 6's are 12. Again 2 2 1's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 1 remains, 2 8's are 16, 2 6's are 12, 2 4's are 8, 2 3s are 2s are 2, 1s are 6s are 2, 8s are 16, 2, 4s are 8, 2, 2s are and 2 1s are. So how many 2s we are getting? 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9 2s we are getting. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Out of this, this one pair of 2's, when I say pair here, it means set of 3. Okay, minus 2 and minus 2. I'll write it like this. Then only we'll get minus 5 and 2. So I'll write, therefore cube root of minus 5 and 2 equals to, this makes 1 minus 2, this makes another set of 2, and the other 3 makes another 2. So that is equal to what? Minus 8. Okay, so your final answer, cube root of minus 5 and 2 is equal to minus 8. Okay. Then fifth one is minus 2744. So I'll write here 2744. Okay. So this is divisible by 2. So I'll write 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 1 remains, 14, 2 7s are 14, 2s are 2 6 are 12, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16, 1 remains, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 4 3. You know the cube root of 343, recently you did. So we'll take 7, 4s are 28, 49, 7, 7s are 7, 1s are. So you are getting the factors of 2744 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Any triplet, any 3 numbers, you can take a negative sign. So I am taking minus here. Okay, so that you can write cube root of minus 2744 equals to, this 3 2's will make up to 1 2, and this 3 7 will make up to 1 7. So your answer is minus 14. Okay. Then we have sixth one, which is 32768. So I'll arrange it like this. 32768 divisible by 2. Yes. 2 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0s are 0, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. Okay. 2 20, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 1 0 2 4, 2 5 1 2, 2, you know 5 and 2 is having 8 2's further. So 2, this will be 2 5 6, 2, here it will be 1 2 8. Okay, 2 64, 2 32, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2 and 2 1. Okay. Now how many 2's you can count? Set of 3 I'll take. 1 set, 2 set, 3 set, 4 set and 5 sets. There are 5 sets of 2. So I'll write 15 2's. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, 3 6 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Therefore I'll write cube root of 32768 is equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5 times 2. Okay, 15 will become 5 2's. Okay, so 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32. Okay, so the cube root of this number is 32. 2. Okay, let us move on to next one. So question number 2 here given is in the fraction form. We have to find the cube root of 27 upon 125. So it is very easy. Cube root of 27, first I'll write cube root of 27 factors. I'll write 3 into 3 into 3, and 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. So very simple, 3 3's will become 1 3 and 3 5's will become 1 5. This is your answer, which is very simple. Okay, the second question is 16 by 54. Okay, so I'll write here cube root of 16 upon 54. Now children, here we could not have reduced this number. Okay, 27 and 125 don't have any common factor, but here 16 and 54, they are both divisible by 2. So I'll cancel them by 2. Okay, so this becomes 2 8s are 2 27s are. So your question now becomes 8 upon 27. Okay, which is very easy. Cube root of 8, you know, it is 3 times 2. 27, it is 3 times 3. So outside the root sign, 3 2's will become 1 2 and 3 3's will become 1 3. Okay, then. So ninth one is given like this, where cube root of 729 is 9. So what is the cube root of 0.3 times 0, 729? So while finding cube root, square root of a decimal number, it is very easy. You have to just count the number of digits after the decimal point. Okay, here the digits are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 digits, it means your answer will be 2 digits after the decimal point. For example, I am giving you the square root of 0.16 will be 0.4. Okay, and 0.0016 will be, because there are 1 2 3 4 digits, so it will be 0.04. This 4 will become 2 digits, as 2 digits here became 1 digit. So there is no square root of 0.016. It has to be 2 digits or 4 digits. So it is very simple here, 0.000729, these 3 zeros will become 10, 729 will be 9. Okay, but there is a way of doing it. How? Just see. Cube root of 729 equals to 9. Therefore cube root of 0.000729 is equal to, I'll write cube root of 729 upon 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. So I'll write 729 upon 6 zeros, that is 10 lakhs. Okay, so this becomes cube root of, the factors I'll write 9 into 9 into 9. Okay, and here 10 lakhs means 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, so outside the root sign it will be 9 upon 100. So this is your answer. 9 upon 100 is 0.09. Okay, very simple. So with this we complete our practice at 3.3. Goodbye children, good luck.